and of mankind is he who purchases idle talks to mislead men from the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ibn Abbas, who is one of the Mufassir, he is the Mufassir Quran, and he is the scholar of the Ummah. He says this is referring to the singing, which is nowadays prevalent. Al-Hasan al-Basri rahimahullah, he said, this ayah was revealed concerning singing and musical instruments. So anyone comes up with this idea that, singing, let's have some songs and music. You say this is something which is haram, which is not permitted in my deen, and this is something I abstain from. Because for us, technically speaking, we can only have the Quran memorized, or we can have music in our heart. We can't have both things in our heart. We can have music, or we can have the Quran. Now it's up to you to choose which one do you want in your heart. Therefore, one of the persons, one of the sheikh, he narrated a story, a live incident, wherein a highway police, he comes to the sheikh and he narrates this story. He says, one day I was on the highway, and we policemen, we were discussing certain things with each other. All of a sudden, we heard a big bang, and it was really loud. We ran to the scene, and we saw there was a car crashed, a big car accident. They went quickly, they went and saw inside, there was a person who was almost about to die. So they quickly called the ambulance, and they put the person in the ambulance, and the police, he's there, he's a Muslim, the police, and then he's going with this person. It happened that that person was also Muslim. So now, a person, he comes to know that, okay, now this person, he will pass away. It's difficult for him to be saved. So at that time, this police, he asks the person to say, La ilaha illallah. Because this is what something we should say during our last times. And the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever says La ilaha illallah, he will enter Jannah during his last times. So the person, he is telling him, say La ilaha illallah. He repeated many times. And then all of a sudden he heard some voice. He went close to him. He heard something murmuring. He's murmuring something. He went more closer. He heard he was singing some song. And while singing that song, he collapsed and died. Just one song, just two songs, this is what it does. If your life is upon these songs and music, this is what something will come to you at the end. If your life is upon these intoxicated things, alcohol and wine, that might be the last thing you might be dying upon. If your life is upon looking at haram and all these things, that might be the last thing you might be dying on. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect and save all of us from it.